Hey YouTube, you've landed on this video because you're an aspiring affiliate marketer or you're wanting to build an online business with digital marketing from the ground up. Well, you've come to the right place. My name's David Barnett. This is my wife, Brandy. And this is our YouTube channel dedicated to helping people start online marketing businesses from the ground up and to learn how to market those businesses in a easy and fun way. Our YouTube channel gives you step-by-step directions in each and every single video that help you build your online business from the ground up. It's basically like a copy and paste type method. You just follow along with what I do and success will follow. So if this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button and also smash the like button if you get anything out of this video. We're actually in the middle of a series. This is video number 7 in high ticket affiliate marketing made easy, step-by-step training. I would highly recommend going back to video number 1, although you can go ahead and finish this one. You get a lot of use out of it. But to better understand what's going on and to better follow along with us, go ahead and go back to video number 1. We got a link down in the description there that will take you directly to that video so you can start following along step by step with us in our training series here. Now, here in a moment, I'm going to switch over to my computer screen, and we're going to have a look at my YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and do that. And so here is my YouTube channel. You'll see my banner at the top. D&B for Freedom is what you're going to look for, and you're going to see my step-by-step series down here in the playlist. So look for high ticket affiliate marketing made easy step-by-step training right here, and you got video number 1. We're going to go ahead and go into that on the description. I'm going to pause that so we can look at our description here. As you can see, the description is not quite expanded out. There is a little link here called More. You'll click on that, and that'll expand out your description. You'll see all the information here. What you want to do is you want to focus on the link here at the top. Look for Get Started here. And that will actually take you to our product page, the Home Business Academy. That's our number 1 product that we're promoting. Go ahead and click on that link. That'll get you started with HBA. It is a $25 sign-up fee. And with that $25 sign-up fee, you'll get a funnel builder, aka website toolkit for building your funnel page, landing page, or your website, whichever, whatever you're going to use there to promote your product link. Down here, you'll see the high ticket affiliate marketing made easy link for video number 1. So that's the playlist there. You'll click here for video number 1 to jump back to that. So in previous videos, we mentioned our friend John. He is a 6-figure affiliate marketer, and his specialty is with the Home Business Academy. He's been kind enough to lend us his expertise. We're going to be switching over to his screen here in a moment, and he's going to continue with the training series for the remainder of this video. So we're going to go ahead and switch over to John's screen right now. We'll see you guys tomorrow, and until then, happy marketing.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, leave me a like on it. So we're actually going over a platform that's affiliate marketing based. It's a platform that I've been using for quite a while now, just under a year actually. And as you can see at the very top of the page here, I've earned over $120,000 from it. I'm going to actually just shift this down to the last 30 days. So you guys can see where I'm at right now, and I'm at $30,000 in the last 30 days. This is a great platform. It's beginner friendly. It's set up really easy to use. And what we're actually doing on these YouTube videos that you're on right now, you should already know from the previous videos, but we are doing a step-by-step training showing you exactly how you can use this. So if this is your first time watching this video, just head over to the very first video video in the series. It'll be on my playlist on YouTube, and you guys can start there, get set up, and actually start following along, because right now I'm actually in the middle of the series, and I'm just going to jump into it, into the training right now, and we're going to start doing our daily routine. So if this is your first time here, head over to the very first video in the playlist. I will leave a link in the video description that has the link to the playlist itself, so you guys can start on day one, and then you guys can just follow along. This takes about 15 minutes per day. It's super easy to do, and as long as you're consistent with this over a period of a couple months, you're going to see some really great gains from this. If we look right back here as an example, I started back in July. We'll go to July 1st till now, which is January 5th. And you can see I started July 3rd, and in that time I've been able to earn $120,000 with this platform. So it's very easy to use, and a ton of people are using this and following this training as well that are doing really, really well. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out, but otherwise just follow along with these videos, and I'm going to hop into those. I'm actually going to hop into the rest of the training now. So where we're at right now, we're just going to go send our email. What I'm doing, obviously, is the same thing we've done in the other videos. We're just sending our daily email. I'm giving you guys the email to use. What I'm doing a little bit different in this video, in particular, is I'm actually going to just give you the emails that we have. We're not going to have to go through and create our own. I've already done that. I've already gone through, created some emails that we're going to be able to use that are fresh, and they're good emails that we'll be able to use for this series. And we're just going to continue on with this daily, and with hopes that you guys follow along and just stick with it. If you stick with it, it's going to do really well. But here's our email that we're going to be using for today. So again, just head over to your MLGS account, log into whichever account you want to start with. If you remember what I said before, I use 5 of these accounts. If you guys can't use 5, that's fine. You got to pick a starting point, whether it's 1 or 2. I suggest try to at least get 2 of these, but I do like 5 because of the way that we set it up and how we can get the bonus leads from it. But let's just jump into the system today, okay? We're going to go to our MLGS account. We're going to click on our mailing system. We're going to scroll down and select all our leads. Next, we're going to go back over to our email document. What I'd like you guys to do right now is actually pause this and copy this email down, okay? Pause this video, copy the email down. You can see exactly how I have it here. You should be able to read that, copy it down in a couple seconds. And now we're going to just continue on here. So you can see I've already added the first name, so that we can just pull in whoever's this email's reaching. It's going to look like we're sending it to them personally, which is a good tool to have. That's right here. If you don't know where that is and you guys want to do your own emails ever, it's right down here. You can see the different codes that you can use to personalize these emails. But this is already done for you. So all you're going to have to do is write this down, copy it, and then you're going to just have to add your links. And if you don't remember where to get your links, of course, it's just the same as always. We're going to go back over to our dashboard. We're going to go to our all-in-one $25 business sales letter, and we're going to click copy right there. Okay. So it's very important, like I said, that you guys have already been through the other videos, and that you're, if you're watching this for the first time, just head back to that first video so you can get that dashboard and you know what to do. Okay. So I've copied that link. I'm going to go right down here where it says click here to make an extra $251.47 per day. I'll read this email in just a second, but I'm just going to right click. I'm going to insert link. I'm going to paste that in there and then click apply. So I'm just doing this on a Google document, as just the same as always. We're going to insert link, right click, paste, and apply. Okay, make sure you add your name here at the bottom. You can change the name. It doesn't have to be my name, or you can use whatever name you want, like I mentioned before, but you just want to have a name at the end of this, okay? So, and again, you guys don't have to use the Google document if you don't want to. You could literally just pause this video right now and copy this down directly to the mailing system right here. But I like to use a Google document so that I can save all of my emails. I know which ones I've used, and I can always go use them again later as we build more leads. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to copy the subject right here that says step-by-step profits. We're going to copy that. We're going to go over to the mailing system. We're going to paste that into our subject line. We are going to go back over to our document. We're going to copy our email. and we're going to go paste that into our mailing system, right? And if you remember, it's Control and V to paste that in, and then we're going to click on perfect timing. So let's just read through this real quick, okay? So it says, hey, first name, if you'd like to learn how to make an extra $251.47 per day on the side, then you'll want to see this. Click here to make an extra $251.47 per day. Here are the requirements. Have an internet connection, be willing to work part-time. If you have these 2 requirements, then click the link to find out more. Click here to see how this will work for you. I wish you success, John. Perfect timing. Always scroll back up to the top. Make sure you got everything checked off. You've selected all your leads. You've added your subject, and you've added the body of your email. Next, you can just click send. And again, if you have more than one account, what we do is we just go up to the very top. You can right click on the tab that you're on and hit duplicate. That'll open up a new mailing system. We're just going to actually go to that. We're going to log out of it, and we're going to log in with our second account. We're going to click on mailing system. We're going to go back over to the original mailing system that we just opened first, and we're going to just copy everything from that. We're going to hit copy there. We're going to scroll down. We're going to paste that into the body by pressing Control V. We're going to go back over to the mailing system. We're going to come up to the top here, select our subject line, hit copy. We're going to paste that in the subject line. Now let's go up to the top, make sure we got everything we need to select our leads. We've added our subject line. We've added the body of the email. It has personalization, it has our name, it has our links. We click perfect timing, and then we send that one off. And you're going to do this with each account that you have. Again, I wish that, if in the perfect world, we could all use 5 accounts each. Some people are using 10 that are following this series right now. So, and they're doing really well. The more, the merrier. I use 5 myself, but honestly, I have about 25 to 30 of these accounts for different platforms that I'm working with. They work so well. Again, you guys are getting really good, really close here to starting to see some results. I'm sure already we're on day 7 right now. And you guys should be able to hit these numbers, and no problem at all here. If we focus and at least give this a good dedicated 2 to 3 months of commitment, and I think you guys will see the benefit. You can see that just in this last little while. Actually, if I go back to the yearly, I just want to touch on this again real quick. If I go back to the yearly, oh, that was way too far back. I want to show you guys something. You can see here at the beginning of the year, when I first started, the first few weeks, even the first few months, were really kind of slow. Things were just happening kind of sporadically. It really started to snowball a few months in, and that's what you guys are going to see there as well. And you can see how much thicker it's getting near the end now to where we're at now, and on the daily, how the dailies are rising, my daily commissions. This is going to be the same thing that happens for you guys. So just stick with this. Stay committed, make a commitment to yourself. We're actually in the new year right now. It's January 5th today when I continued this series for you. And I just wish you guys the best. So I know that you guys will do really well if you stick with this. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you're notified when the next video drops. And if you guys haven't liked my video, please like it if you get anything out of it. I sure appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video.